I get the sense you've been pushing yourself pretty hard to keep up with everything. And I want you to know I'm here for you.
Thanks, I'm trying. I can usually manage to have a full schedule and make it all work. But if I'm being honest, my mind's just been elsewhere. Like I was hanging out with someone, like a lot, and it felt like it was going somewhere and then it just ended. Anyway, thank you for listening to all that. I know it was kind of, like all over the place.
It's no problem, really. Everything you've described so far is pretty common for people your age.
Uh, okay. That doesn't make dealing with it easy.
No, of course not. I'm just saying you're not alone.
Sure.